Hi there, I'm Chris. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit your website on Webby. Whether you built it from scratch, used a template, or generated it with AI, we'll walk through the full editor step by step, so you can confidently update text, images, layouts, and more without stress. Let's get started. First, log into your Webby account. Once you're signed in, your dashboard opens automatically. From here, you'll be able to access all your website's tools and settings in one place. Once you're on the dashboard, scroll down and you'll see a list of websites you've created, whether from scratch, a template, or AI. Click on the one you want to edit, then click the edit icon to open the full website editor. Now let's explore the full website editor in detail so you can take full control of your site. First, the left sidebar. This is your main control center inside the editor, and here's everything you'll find. Layout. This is where you structure your page. Use it to control the overall arrangement, including rows, columns, and spacing. It helps you build the foundation before placing actual content. Basic elements. This contains essential blocks like text, images, videos, buttons, divs, tags, and more. You can add these into your layout to start building real content. Sections. Here, you'll find pre-designed content blocks like Hero, About, Services, Contact, and more. These are fully designed and ready to use. Just drag them into your page and customize. Pages. This lets you manage multiple pages on your website, like Home, About, Services, or Contact pages. You can switch between them, create new ones, or duplicate existing ones. Projects. This tab allows you to export your full website's HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Perfect if you want to host it elsewhere. You can also import external projects here, bringing in code or designs built outside Webby. Color palette. Here, you can set your brand colors. The palette automatically syncs with your entire website, so your design stays consistent and visually professional. Content generator. This tool uses AI to help you write content faster, like website text, product descriptions, or headings. Perfect if you're stuck on what to write. Components. This tab helps you save any section of your website for future use, whether it's a hero area, contact form, product block, or any custom layout you've built. Instead of recreating that same section in another project or page, you can just save it once and reuse it anytime. Here's how to create a component. Hover over the section you want to save, like a product grid or testimonial block. When the section is highlighted, click the file icon that appears. A pop-up will appear where you can enter a name for the component, add a short description to help identify it later. Optionally, add any custom CSS or JavaScript you want associated with that component. Click Save, and the component will be created. To access and reuse your saved component later, go to the left sidebar. Click on Components and your saved components will be listed there, ready to drag and drop into any new design. It's one of the best ways to keep your designs consistent across projects and speed up your workflow. Now, let's take a look at the right sidebar. This is where all the editing magic happens. Every time you right-click on an element, the right sidebar updates to show all the customization options available for that element. For this tutorial, I'll start by editing the header section of the page. It's currently a carousel with 3 slides, and the one I click on becomes the active slide. So any changes I make will apply to that specific one, even if it slides out later. Let's begin by changing the background image. Once I select the slide, I scroll down to the background settings in the right sidebar, and from here, I can easily upload or choose a new image. You'll see the change reflect instantly on the canvas. Now, to edit the text, I simply double-click directly on the text in the editor. I can type whatever I want right on the canvas and it updates immediately. Finally, I'll adjust the text styling. I can change the font size, choose a different font family, align the text, or even make it bold or italic, all directly from this panel. To change the button color, click the color picker under background color. You can choose from the palette or enter your brand's hex code directly. As soon as you select a color, it reflects immediately on your design. Want to change a background color? Just click on the background of the section you want to change. Now on the right panel, scroll down to Background. You can then choose your brand color or choose from the color gradients. To link a page to any navigation title, just right-click on the nav title you want to connect. From the side panel, click on Settings, then select Link Settings. Paste the page URL you want to link, then click Save. Need a quick rewrite of your content? Hover on the section you want to change, then click the Rewrite icon. Choose the section you want to update, hit Rewrite. And AI will handle the rest. To duplicate a section, just click on the duplicate icon right here. To update your own custom code, click on the source code icon. Make your edits, then click Save. And your changes will be applied instantly. Want to go back to default? Click the reset icon to restore the original version of the section. Or click the delete button to remove that section completely. To upload your favicon, simply click on the Upload Favicon button at the top left corner. Then, select your favicon image and click Upload. It's super easy and takes just a few seconds. And don't forget, always click Save after making any changes. Saving ensures that everything you worked on is updated and live. Next, you can publish your website by toggling the Publish button on. As you can see here, this website is already published. And that's it. With the Weavy editor, making changes to your website is fast, flexible, and honestly, kind of fun. You're always just a few clicks away from something amazing. If you ever get stuck, our support team is just a message away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.